Yeah, I hate being lonely and lonely. What my name is, I think it's Izzy B. I came hard on the fucking ground. How the fuck it sound laying niggas fucking down? Where the fuck the king at? Cause I need to take his crown. You talking big like you that, boy? Get your head smacked, then cut off, boy. You fucking with a killer, bitch. Why the fuck you think I drilled it, bitch? To read my anger, I used to fuck these bitches before when I was a stranger. Now I use my finger just to make them bust. You suck my dick, bitch, until I fucking bust. Y'all to make me mad, but when I get mad, instead of getting sad, I grab bags and put your bodies in them. Check my fucking jeans, nigga. Look at my denim. I'm so fucking fly. I should be in the sky, but instead I choose to get fucking high. And after I get high, I turn my eyes up and I look towards the sky. Cause I'm trying to go to heaven. Nigga in a 64 in the engine revving. Waiting on this nigga called Redman. Waiting on them niggas called Ass. Yo, you know what act is? Nigga, do you know what an act is? It's a fraudulent movement of actions, and I wanna cut it with no captions. Straight up, where the fuck the weed at? I'm finna kick in your door. Where the fuck the ski at? Where it's at? Where it's at? Where the fucking rocks? And if I get there no green, I'ma kick you in your nose. Break the shit, then I'm going to twist you, bitch. Break your fucking ankle and it connects to your hip, and your hip connects to your head. Pronounce you fucking dead. Now I'm in the closet, but I ain't fucking scared. I got the mat on your motherfucking mama brain. Put that shit on your motherfucking mama name. Where them llamas came out the fucking house. Y'all niggas quiet now, like some fucking mouse. Where the fuck the rain? I'm finna up this nigga like mosquito spray. A young nigga from Leland, trying to get this cash, man. Young niggas from Leland, trying to get this cash, man. A young nigga from Leland, trying to get this fucking cash, man. A young nigga from Leland, trying to get this motherfucking cash, man. Trying to get this cash, man. I'm selling all types of gas, man. I got that Miz and that Reggie, and I got gas, man. What the fuck is a trash can? Cause you niggas think it's so loud, y'all need to be in a trash can. Nigga, I'm the trash man. Nigga, anything in the streets can happen. Nigga, no caption. Nigga, no read between the lines. I'm Izzy B, nigga. What the fucking girls call me fine. Nigga, I'ma die. Nigga, I ain't dying. Nigga, that's my word. I ain't fucking dying. If I see you good fuck, if I see you clip up, if you got beef, then I feel bad for you too. Cause you're about to get fucked like a nigga who deserves to. Free Manskowski, Joshua Manskowski. We some Leland killers, we some Leland killers, we some Leland killers, we some Leland. Now I'm back over my shit, man, and I am Izzy B. Put your ass in the trash can. Put your ass in the trash can, nigga.